How to withdraw funds on OKX 2025 updated tutorial. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to log into your OKX account, go to assets, then withdraw, and select the crypto like USDT, BTC, Ethereum or any other crypto, and choose the withdrawal type on chain to an external wallet. And after that, internal transfer to another OKX user, paste the receiving wallet address, select the network like ERC20, TRC20, BEP20, depends on coin. Enter the amount and complete the 2FA verification, SMS or email or app. And after that, click submit, and always double check the network or wallet address. Wrong network is equal to lost funds. And you can also withdraw fiat from OKX if available in your country. For that, you have to go to assets, then withdraw fiat and choose your currency and select a payment method like bank transfer or e-wallet or anything else, and enter withdrawal amount, add or confirm your bank details, complete verification and submit requests. And fiat withdrawals may only be available in supported countries. If not, use P2P sale to convert to cash. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.